Hi Pisces. Welcome to your love reading. This is for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is a general reading, guys. This may or may not resonate with every Pisces watching this video. If you do need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down in the description box below. Let's see what can Pisces expect in love for the end of Jan 2021, please. We're going to see your thoughts, your feelings, their feelings, and what action they're going to take towards you for the end of the month. All right, let's do this. Spirit guides, angels, universe, what is the current situation for Pisces in love? Two of Pentacles in reverse. What is going on in Pisces' mind? Throat chakra. Ow. Throat chakra is blocked. You guys aren't talking, are you? Okay. What is going on this person's mind that Pisces is dealing with? All right. What does Pisces feel for this person? Ace of Cups in reverse. What does this person feel for Pisces? Five of Wands. What is the mutual energy for Pisces and the person they're dealing with? Ten of Wands. What action will Pisces take? Page of Swords. What action will this person take towards Pisces? Three of Pentacles. And what is the likely outcome? Wow. All right, let's see. Okay, Pisces. Fuck my throat. All right, Pisces, overall energy, Two of Pentacles in reverse. So either someone's dropping someone, okay, or someone's finally made up their mind, okay. No more juggling is what I'm hearing. The Chariot on your mind with the Ace of Cups in reverse here. So looks like you want to move forward. You're very determined to move forward, okay. Now move forward or move towards this person. We'll see. Emotionally, you're very, very shut down, okay. You're not opening up, not wanting to be vulnerable. This is a lot of sadness and depression, okay, on your side. Action you plan on to taking is just watching this person, okay. There looks like there is some kind of communication that you are wanting to do towards this person. Ace of Swords is on this person's mind. This person either wants closure or they want some kind of clarity, okay, because there is just no communication between you guys and they want a breakthrough here. Five of Wands on their mind, so probably this person thinks that there's a lot of drama and chaos that's going on between you guys, or this person is ready to fight for this relationship. We'll see. Because with the Three of Pentacles, the action that they plan on to taking is they're wanting to work on a relationship, wanting to work on a partnership with you. Mutual energy, Ten of Wands. You both think this is a burden, okay? Both of y'all are stressed out with this relation, with this situation is what I'd say. Why is the Two of Pentacles in reverse here? Four of Swords. Yeah, someone needs to make up their mind here. There's a lot of indecision, okay, with the Four of Swords here. There's a lot of overthinking, analyzing about a situation, but I think this is indecisiveness also. Give me one more card for the Two of Pentacles in reverse and the Four of Swords. What is the Two of Pentacles with the Four of Swords? Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel there's someone here who's thought a lot about, they were juggling a situation, either juggling two people or juggling the decision of whether they wanted to give into the situation or not. But with the Six of Pentacles here, this person is definitely someone who's wanting to come towards you. They want an equal give and take relationship, and they finally dropped the idea, okay, not dropped the idea, I think they finally made up their mind is what I'm getting. The Chariot, why is this on Pisces' mind? Why is the Chariot here? Oh baby, Chariot and the Three of Pentacles in reverse here. Ten of Swords in reverse. You feel backstabbed, betrayed, cheated by this person, okay? Something ended badly here. You refuse to cooperate. You refuse to compromise with this person out here, okay? All right, so that's what I get. Probably you are the one here who's finally made a decision to drop this person. You probably were indecisive in the past, okay? And probably with the Four of Swords here, there was no communication, okay? You probably withdrew from this person, okay? Or this person has withdrawn from you, okay? and whatever realization they've come to is that they want to give this a relationship a chance, but more than anything they want to have that reciprocity, okay, that balanced relationship. They're ready to give you what you deserve whilst you are ready to walk away. What's the Ace of Swords here on this person's mind? Four of Wands in reverse here. So yeah, there has been a breakup, something ended which was long term here, okay. Eight of Wands in reverse here. There was a lot of, this person could be holding back communication, okay, and could be holding back communication on purpose, but now this person wants clarity, okay. Either this person is someone who wants closure, or they want to come in and talk about this ending out here, okay. Give me one more card. What's the Ace of Swords and the Four of Wands in reverse? What is the Ace of Swords and the Four of Wands in reverse? Two of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is in two minds. That's what I'm getting here. Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands here. This person is needing to make a decision. They're keeping her on hold, okay? And that could be a reason why you shut down the door on this person's face, okay? You ended this relationship, which was as good as a commitment. And now they want to come in, okay? They want to come in with clarity, no more confusion. This person wants that communication. But they're still sitting on the fence, thinking about what they can do, okay? They're in two minds about whether they want to commit to you or not, is also what I'm getting. Tell me about the Ace of Cups in reverse. Yeah, you want to communicate. You're shut down, but at the same time, you want to communicate, okay? You feel the need to address this situation urgently. Yeah. Knight of Swords. Yeah, you want to talk to this person. You want to confront this person, you know? Why is the Five of Wands here? Why is the Five of Wands here? The Sun. Yeah, see, this person wants clarity. Sorry about that. Seven of Swords. This person could be someone who could be strategizing, planning a move towards you. Or this could just be someone overall, okay, who was just trying to escape this relationship, trying to avoid the situation as much as they could, withholding a lot of information or just keeping their feelings under wraps. This person finally wants clarity, okay, because after the breakup that's happened, they have been needing to make a decision, okay. Either they're waiting for you to make a decision, or they need to make a decision about whatever ending has happened between you guys. To me, it looks like you're moving forward, okay, but you're getting out of this person's life, okay. You're in a rush to get out of this person. You're trying to avoid and ignore this person, and you just want to let this person go under any circumstances, okay, and you're really rushing it. This is departure. You're departing from this person's life is what I'm getting. Yeah. You're in no mood to work with this person. Whilst this person out here, now they have clarity. They've been illuminated to the fact that they need to fight for this relationship, otherwise it's getting nowhere. Yeah. They're planning and strategizing a move towards you. I said against you. Why is the Ten of Wands here as a mutual energy? Queen of Cups in reverse here. Yeah, you're both shut down emotionally, okay? Or it could be that you're shut down emotionally. You're very detached from this person, okay? Which is becoming a big burden to this person, okay? It's stressing the shit out of them. No communication, you not talking to them. They can feel you, moving away. Nine of Cups. You make this person very, very happy, okay? And this person makes you happy too. But it's just a relationship. Again, it's a situation that's stressing you both out, okay? Because that's the mutual energy. Because one person is shut down here emotionally, and looks like you, Pisces. You've loved this person to the core. But because this person probably was not offering you something stable, they put you on hold, okay? Or they were not communicating, they were not giving you clarity, right? That's why you're choosing to walk away. But this time with the Three of Pentacles in reverse, it's like you're so clear with the Chariot here, so clear of moving forward, okay? You're like, fuck you, no thanks, okay? You're just done. That's why, like I said, Two of Pentacles in reverse, you're making up your mind. You're no longer indecisive. You've healed, okay? Or this person that is coming in, right? They've healed, and now they realize that with the Six of Pentacles, they should, if they want to progress here, this is how it's going to be. Otherwise, it's not going to work out. The action you plan on taking is the Page of Swords here. Why is the Page of Swords here? Six of Cups. Oh, babe, you miss them so much. But you're still, look at this, look at the cards here. Chariot and the Ace of Cups in reverse. The same bloody combination is coming. You're definitely hell-bent on moving forward. You're not going to wait for this person. You feel this is the right direction too, and you're just like, hasta la vista, baby. Page of Swords, you're probably still going to watch this person, just stalking a lot, but you're not going to communicate probably. Even if there is communication coming in, right, with the Six of Cups here, there is someone here from the past who wants to come back. I feel you have a lot of good memories with this person. You may communicate, you may not communicate. I'm not very sure. What's the Page of Swords and the Six of Cups? What's the Page of Swords and Six of Cups? See, Two of Pentacles again. If this person I feel is coming in to communicate with you. This person is coming in to communicate with you. I feel that you're going to be in two minds of whether you want to reciprocate back, as in you want to be with them, or you want to even give them another chance, or whether you want to even entertain that communication that's coming in from this person. That's what I feel, really. You see this person as a soulmate, but it's like that's all I got, because they're not giving you anything to work with. Okay, so Six of Cups is not a reconciliation. It is, but at the same time, out here in reference to the spread, I feel you have a lot of good memories with this person. You look at them as your soulmate, right? But again, watching them from a distance, loving them from a distance, but not making up your mind when it comes to their communication towards you. Why is this Three of Pentacles here? Why is this the action that this person will take towards Pisces? Clarify the Three of Pentacles. Eight of Swords in reverse. Lovely. Two of Swords in reverse. Yeah, see, this person is very, very clear about what they want with you, See, they're no longer indecisive. They're very clear about what they want. They made a decision. They're coming out of any kind of energy that they feel stuck in, trapped, restricted. This is about their own thoughts. Okay, so they're coming in towards you very clear in their head about what they want. Okay, and what they want is they want to release themselves from a situation. Okay, it's like unstuck. Okay, and getting out of a situation where they were trapped only because of their own fear. Okay, so this person has had a splash of cold water, and they finally realize that knock knock, it's time for you to make a fucking move before Pisces says screw you, which you already are. The likely outcome, the most likely outcome, the Hierophant. This is commitment, this is long term, this is moving things to high levels of commitment, thinking this is a spiritual connection, a very meant to be connection, sharing the same belief system. What is the Hierophant here? Why is this the best potential outcome? Give me one more card for the Hierophant and the Three of Swords. Give me one more outcome for the Hierophant and the Three of Swords. Why is the Hierophant and Three of Swords here? Okay. Babe, I still feel you're walking away. This person's finally coming in, okay? Revealing, there's going to be some truth that is going to be revealed. I feel this person is coming towards you, okay? With the Hierophant here, wanting something committed with you, okay? Finally is what I'm getting, okay? It took for you to literally walk away and get so fed up of this person, that you had to rush out like now. You know how the Knight of Swords is like rushing in? You're like rushing out, like, dude, I need to get out now. I cannot stay here one more moment. It took for you to be completely fed up with this soulmate of yours, or fed up with this person, for this person to come towards you with something committed, okay? But this is going to cause them a lot of heartbreak here, because with the Moon in reverse here, they're coming in with the truth. They're giving you clarity with the Ace of Swords here, right? But with the Three of Swords here, it's going to cause a lot of heartbreak here, because it looks like you're not going to entertain this. It's like, yeah, I always knew you were going to come back, but now it's no point, because you know how someone gives you something after so long, you have to wait and wait and wait for it, and it gets you a lot of tears, you get into depression, a lot of negative thinking. It takes so much pain for you, like, why now is what I'm getting, Pisces, from you. Like, why now? And you're like, no more. I have the best of memories that I have with you, but I'm walking away, because I mean, why didn't you do it then, is what I'm hearing. Okay, they're coming in with that commitment, Pisces. It's going to be up to you if you want to build with them or not. Okay, they want to redo this connection, this relationship with you. That's what I have for you, Pisces. If this reading resonates with you, do like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, see you. Bye bye.